We are going to cover Singulator maintenance. On a normal routine, this belt will wear and it will create a gap which will cause double hangers to go through. Please try to have 2 to 3 spare belts on hand. Also, the Singulator belt guide support will need to be replaced with every other belt. Before you get started on removing the plate, we will need to move the Singulator piston block assembly up and out of the way. This will allow clearance for the new belt and it will not damage it from day one. Best practice is to shut off the air to the belt and remove the pressure. Start by loosening the piston block assembly bolts, which will allow the block to slide up and slightly tighten once a clearance has been accomplished. Now, you can start removing the faceplate screws. Remember, the Singulator belt guide support might drop from between as you remove the screws. Place your hand underneath to catch if needed. You will notice the wear on one side. Please turn it over and use it for a second round, or this will be the time to replace the wear strip if it is your second belt. You can now proceed on removing and installing your replacement belt. For the purposes of this training video, the belt was new and a replacement was not necessary. You can turn on the air switch as it will be easier to assemble and hold the belt guide support. Manually insert the screws to match pin holes and do not over-tighten. Now we want to lower down the piston assembly block to where the pin touches the belt. You can start the Singulator belt. A simple test can take place by adding a little pressure to the belt with a screwdriver to see if it creates a bit of a gap to ensure that this is not too low. The Singulator full sensor will activate and stop the Singulator. If it is up too much, it will stop the Singulator as it responds to a possible jam with multiple hangers. The sensor might need to be adjusted if it was moved during maintenance. To the left of the motor, you have a Singulator pin sensor which will identify each carrier, and it works simultaneously with the pistons to allow one garment per carrier. As long as it identifies a pin going through, it will allow for a garment to be sent to it. Carefully add some wax to the belt. The wax will emulsify the black buildup coming from the hangers, and it will allow the hangers to run through smoothly. Hope this video was helpful. Feel free to reach out to our support team with further questions.